Hey guys, it's Becky with Advanced Screen, and today's video is going to be a foil application to a t-shirt. I'm going to do a two-color. I've got a water-based discharge that I'm going to use underneath my foil application. The reason why I'm going to use a discharge is because the discharge process is going to take the dye out of the garment and replace it with the pigment color that is mixed into the discharge. Do the foil application, the foil won't be able to stick to any of the discharge print. So it kind of gives us a really neat effect of like this two-color print with the foil application on top. So I've got a water-based discharge ink in my screen right now, and I do have it flooded to keep the screen open because water-based will dry out and the screen pretty bad. We're just going to do a couple passes to make sure that we saturate the garment. Keep that flooded. You can kind of see the print already, but the heat is going to activate the discharge. You're going to see some steam and smoke come out. I'm just going to kind of flash the discharge print, so now we have some really nice bright color underneath. Get my press set back up here. This is an 86 mesh screen. You want to use a coarse mesh count. I'm going to do a print. I'm going to somewhat flash it really quick. Just to gel the surface of the skin. We don't actually want to cure it. You can cure it. The foil is really neat and it'll actually stick to almost anything. Okay, so that's my black garment. I'm just going to pop this off. I'm going to put this over here. I'm going to do the white garment next. I've got spray adhesive already down on my palette. Okay, so we're going to use the same screen that had the discharge in it. Technically, we don't need to discharge this shirt because there's no dye in the garment that we are trying to take out and replace with a color. But it will still give us that same beautiful orange that's on the black shirt. We're going to do another one there. I was not using all of my strength. Okay. So that's good enough. I'm just going to flash it again really quickly. For my foil this time, my foil adhesive, I'm going to add a little bit of black into it because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some black foil or like some charcoal foil on top of my print. So I want to be able to hide any areas that may not adhere properly the first time. So again, we're using an 86 mesh. You can use an 86 to a 110 mesh. Keep in mind that screen printing is done in a lot of different ways. If you find that you used a different mesh count and it worked for you, that's awesome. These are manufacturer recommendations. Okay, so that was the first one. Gonna kind of flash it. All right, we're gonna do a second print. Flash it. It actually looks kind of metallic silver with a little bit of black and a clear base anyway. If you guys have any questions about the foil application process, just give us a call. You need to screen print down an image first and then use that image to take to your heat press to apply the foil to. And we're pretty tacky. We've gelled the surface of the skin, so we're semi-cure. I'm going to take these off and I'm going to take them over to the heat press. Okay, so now we're going to do the foil application. I've got my heat press set at 325 degrees. It's going to be about 325, 330. It will fluctuate. It varies between heat press. And we want medium to high pressure. This is going to go for about 10, 15 seconds. And if it's mostly cured, the reactivation from the heat is going to allow the foil to stick to the foil adhesive. You guys can use Teflon coated sheets if you'd like. I'm just showing you a demonstration, and we're gonna take this off to the side and we're gonna allow this to cool. We are not going to peel that off quite yet, and I will tell you guys why. If you peel your foil too early and it is a cold peel, it won't adhere properly to the surface. So our white garment is just off to the side, it's cooling, we're allowing it to cool. I'm gonna set this right here. I'm going to take this off. Okay, so we have a nice shiny print here, and you can see the water base in the background. If you peel your foil off too early, it's going to come off very easy. It's not going to get stuck to the garment, and you're going to have these little sections where it's not going to adhere properly, and it looks like it's not sticking very well. When in reality, if we let that print cool, this was the first print that we did, not the back one. If we allow that print to cool, we get a lot more of that foil transferred down onto the garment. So that's our foil application video for today. If you guys have any questions, please visit the website. It's advancedScreenPrintSupply.com. You can give us a call at the office. We're here to help. 480-858-9804. Thank you for watching my foil application video.